A fellow scientist. I am rather looking forward to this analysis, aren't you? Absolutely.
Hey, Mr. Freeman.
A fellow scientist.
Do you understand
military
that last
cleanup
announcement? Have you
is
been
just
able to
a
get the
paranoid
beverage
machine,
machine to
isn't
work
it?
yet?
A fellow scientist.
Hey! Ah!
Yes, this all looks nominal.
Hey, Mr. Freeman. I had a bunch of messages
you been
for you,
able
but
to
we
get
had
the
a system
beverage
crash about
machine to
20
work
minutes ago,
yet?
and I'm still trying to find my files.
As I expected.
Just one of those days, I
Wouldn't
guess.
it be fantastic
They were
to
having
get
some
some pure
problems down in the
readings for a
test chamber,
change?
too, but I think that's all straightened out.
Have I
They
been
told me
that
to make
much
sure
of
you
a
headed
burden?
down there as soon as you got into your hazard
You
suit.
are completely wrong.
Hey, what did I ever do to you? With friends like you, man.
A failure of this magnitude is extremely improbable.
Hey, catch me later, I'll buy you a beer.
Absolutely. Oh, it's you. I thought it might be another of the administrator's men. They're everywhere this morning.
Time to choose.
Hey, Mr. Freeman.
It's not our fault, I tell you. Thank God you're here.
Hey, catch me later, I'll buy you a beer.
Don't
Acknowledge
you find this all
administration,
fascinating?
administration, and anomalous acquired communication.
All right.
Effect.
You aren't scared, are you? I smell an ambush. We'd better be careful. I have a bad feeling about this.
You aren't going soft on that ethics issue again, are you? A failure of this magnitude is
Mr. Freeman?
extremely improbable.
Mr. Freeman? Our luck has to change sooner or later.
Are you 100% sure that theory
I guess
of yours
so.
is correct? I certainly hope those backup fusion shunts are in good shape today. The sample was just delivered to the test chamber.
All right, let's go for it.
I suspected this could happen, but the administrator just would not listen. All right. I am rather looking forward to this analysis, aren't you?
Quick, it's about to go critical. It wasn't meant to do this in the first place.
Were you in weapons research too? I built the glue-on gun, but I just can't bring myself to use it on a living creature.
Hey!
You don't
Hey,
look as
you
if you
take
have any
me
trouble
down!
killing things.
Hey! Hey, over here! Eat lead, you outer space
Well,
octopus!
I think it's rather stimulating, don't you? Why do we all have to wear these ridiculous ties?
It's time to choose.
Absolutely not. Now, where did I leave that shutdown procedure chart?
Don't make me do this.
Don't be a fool!
You aren't scared, are you?
You have no idea what is going on, do you?
Don't tick me off, Gordon.
I really don't know.
What do you want on your tombstone?
I really don't know.
Didn't you already ask me that?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Nope. You aren't scared, are you?
Chicken clear. Clear.
All right, let's go for it. Whoa, that was close.
Thank God you're here.
Didn't you already ask me that?
Absolutely.
I'm not going anywhere. Hey, Mr. Freeman. I had a bunch of messages for you, but we had a system crash about 20 minutes ago, and I'm still trying to find my files. Just one of those days, I guess. They were having some problems down in the test chamber, too, but I think that's all straightened out. They told me to make sure you headed down there as soon as you got into your hazard suit.
Now, where did I leave that shutdown procedure chart?
Get him out of there! Shut down the equipment and someone get him out!
Is someone there? I can't see a thing. Shutting down. Attempting shutdown.
Get him out of there.
It's not.
Shut down the equipment and
It's
someone
not.
get him
It's
out.
not shutting down. It's not.
What do you mean, overcharged? Hey! Hey, over here! Eat
No,
lead, you
I don't
outer
wanna
space
die!
octopus! Hey! Ah!
Who is responsible for this mess? Well, do you have any idea what to do next? No! I don't want to die! What the?
Accelerator severe operations.
Jeez, and I thought I had a long night. Whoa, that was close. Hey, it's no good up there. It's all sealed off. The only way out would be to find
just
someone with
overheard the
scanner
secure
access
access
who can open the
transmission.
front door.
Soldiers have
I'm
arrived,
pretty
and
sure
they're
there's a
coming to
few
rescue us.
scientists hiding somewhere in
Of
the
course, I have no
labs.
doubts that
Maybe
we'll
with
live
both
long
of us
enough to
looking, we
greet
can
them.
track them down and get them to let us out. These sterilizers come in handy. You ever find yourself in a bind, just duck into one of these booths, hit the big button. They're supposed to kill microorganisms, but they work on the big stuff, too.
No! Stay back! Gordon!
Alien control!
Got to get out of here.
Sorry! Down!
No!
Nice hit. Alright, we got him.
It can't get any worse than this, can it?
Last. I am the last dreamer.
Whoa, that was close. Hey, Mr. Freeman. I had a bunch of messages for you, but we had a system crash about 20 minutes ago, and I'm still trying to find my files. Just one of those days, I guess. They were having some problems down in the test chamber, too, but I think that's all straightened out. They told me to make sure you headed down there as soon as you got into your hazard suit.
Back up. Bravo.
I can't take much more of this.
Eliminate all hostiles. Cover.
Ah! Hey! Ah! I never thought I'd see a resonance cascade, let alone create one.
Hostiles. Bogies.
Freeman, you fool!
Freeze! End of the line for you.
No, don't go that way. A fellow scientist. No! No! Please!
Affirmative. Casualties. Alien.
You aren't scared, are you?
Out.
With friends like you, man, I wish it hadn't come to this.
Oh my God, we're doomed! Do you suspect some alien subterfuge behind this failure?
Hey, you take me down! End of the line for you. Hey! Hey, over here! Lead, you outer space octopus! Bring it on!